Excuse me, madam and sir. Welcome to Elsie Restaurant. Do you have any reservation? May I know your name? By the way, we had to prepare a very nice table for you. This way, please. Pag walang reservation. Table for one o table for two? May I suggest a table for you? This way, please. Will this table be alright for you? Please take your seat. Excuse me, madam and sir. May I lay your napkin? By the way, I am John Romer, your food server for today, and it will be my pleasure to serve you. Excuse me, madam and sir. Will you have to try our juice or ice cold water? Excuse me, madam and sir. Will you try to have a bread roll? Do you want another roll? Excuse me, madam and sir. I would like to present our food menu for your selection. I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, madam and sir. May I suggest the following? For your starter, may I suggest that you try this? May I suggest also hot steam soup? How about a fresh salad, ma'am and sir? Will you have to try it? And for the main course, our chef has prepared a very special. And to complete your meal, may I suggest a dessert? How about freshly brewed coffee or tea to complete your meal? Excuse me, ma'am and sir. May I repeat your order? I did get your order right, ma'am and sir. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Here's your appetizer. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Here's your hot steam soup. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Are you done? Can I clear your plate? Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Here's your salad. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Are you done? Can I clear your plate? Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Here's our chef special for today. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Are you done? Can I clear your plate? Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Here's your dessert. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Are you done? Can I clear your plate? Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Here's your brewed coffee or tea. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Ma'am and sir, may I present your bill? Your total bill I received. I'll be back for your receipt, or I'll be back for your change. Thank you for coming, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day.